guys, how's it going? Today I am bringing you the Bless Box. So this is their March Bless Box, and they did a partnership with Elle magazine this month. I've never had a Bless Box before. They are a higher price box. It is $30 a month plus shipping for this box. So I think total it comes out to maybe like $34 or so a month, 34, 35. I'm not exactly sure. I will leave all that information in the description box for you. I actually had a coupon code for a decent amount off. I want to say it was about 20% off. I've been debating on whether or not I should subscribe to Blessbox for a while now, and this kind of just made me pull the trigger. So let's hope it was worth it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy these types of subscription box unboxing and review videos. Let's get started. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. They have some information here. Their handle for Instagram and Elle's handle as well for Instagram. I actually think this wrapping is super cute. I am enjoying the all black on the inside here. So Bless Box, usually you get like maybe a wellness item and a food item and a beauty item, stuff like that. So I'm just going to grab the first thing that is in here. So there's a little magazine in here. It's actually kind of thick. I'm guessing this tells you a bit about what is inside of the box. So I'm just going to grab the first thing I see, which is Hippies. Very punny. This is organic chickpea puffs, and this is in the flavor vegan white cheddar. They're gluten-free, kosher, vegan, and have no GMOs. I'm going to preface by saying I'm not a big chickpea fan. You're not gonna find me eating any hummus either, but I'm curious. This is pretty good. It has 3 grams of fiber and 4 grams of protein. They kind of taste like healthy Cheetos. That's actually really nice. That's a good little snack. Not a bad first start. Let's see what's next. Ooh, we have a Clarins Lip Comfort Oil. So this is in the shade Candy. I really like lip oils for the most part. I'm gonna try it on, why not? All right, Clarins. I've heard good things about this company. I don't think I've ever owned anything from them, so I'm interested. Oh my gosh, it smells like sweet tarts maybe? It's definitely lightweight. I really don't feel too oily. It honestly feels more like a lip gloss than an oil, which I'm okay with. That's not so bad. I don't like when it kind of like slips and slides into my mouth. That's nice. Let's leave it on and see how it does for the rest of this. I want to see if this gives us prices in here. So this was a past favorite of theirs, and it was a special bonus, so it doesn't give any information as to like price or anything like that in there. So it must have been something that was received in a previous box. But these Hippies vegan white cheddar puffs retail for $2.50. So next we have Youngblood Crushed Mineral Blush. This is in the shade Plumberry. Oh, comes with a nice little safety seal. You have to appreciate the small things in life, you know? It's a nice color. I do like it. It just seems like it might be a little hard to blend out. You might have to work a little bit more with it. It does have some sparkle in it, so it does seem to have a little bit of a shimmer, but that's not bad. Could just use less highlighter. It's actually a good color for me, I believe. It's a makeup product. I like makeup. This blush retails for $22. So far, we at least have $24 worth of product, and I've already then recouped my cost of the box. Everything else, technically then for me, is a bonus in here. So let's keep going in. What is next? Oh my gosh, you guys. The Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. I've been seeing commercials about this, and I've been really interested in trying it. I just haven't bought it yet. So this retails for $9.49, which isn't bad. So this ultra creamy whipped formula is infused with coconut extract, so it soothes and nourishes your lashes as it lifts and separates. Yes. I love that. That's exactly what I need. That's why I've been wanting to try this out so much. That's what I keep hearing about it. I need volume without the clump. This, I'm hoping, will become my new baby. And it's drugstore priced, so how great would that be? I'm excited to try this out. I'm not gonna put it on right now. I have mascara on, and I just don't need that much mascara in my life, so. Next. So this is the Nun Hydration Vitamins. These retail for $7. They're in the flavor Grapefruit Orange. Which I like grapefruit, I like orange, so that should be good. You just drop one into your water after your workout. So each vitamin is infused with vitamin E, C, A, and magnesium, folic acid, avocado oil, and more, so it goes the extra mile to help your body recover after an intensive workout. I work out, but not intensively. Hopefully this is still good for me. Next, please. I feel like I saw this in a recent like Walmart or Target beauty box or something like that. But this is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. So this retails for $5. So you just use it in the shower or bath, put the body polish in your hands, spread over body in a circular motion, then follow with a body wash or a Dove beauty bar. I'll use it, but I'm not gonna say I'm excited about this. I kind of think that this is like a chintzy item to get in a box, and I'm not a huge body polish person, so meh in my opinion. You guys, a Sunday Riley product. I love Sunday Riley. This is the Sunday Riley Autocorrect. So this is a brightening and depuffing eye contour cream. I have dark ass circles. I need anything that will actually brighten, and I've read reviews saying that this really does do something for your eyes. I'm super excited to get this. What I'm not super excited about is how teeny tiny it is. This retails for $24, this little thing, and I'm sorry, but I am not going to swatch this on my hands because I need to save every last drop of this for my horrid under eyes. That's probably the one thing I guess I'm most excited about in this box so far. Yay for Sunday Riley. Next, we have the Hollywood Secrets Fashion Tape. I've never used the fashion tape, but that retails for $11. I could have definitely used that fashion tape several times in my life. But $11, and that's not something I've ever bought before myself. Because it's like I see it, and then I go, is it really necessary? But now that it's here, I'll totally use it. On to the next, we have Ren and Now to Sleep Pillow Spray. I like Ren. I have a few of their skincare products. They're really good. So this retails for $10. What's the smells? So this is a blend of frankincense, hops, and lavender. Ooh. I can smell the frankincense. The hops is pretty light, but that lavender, yo, I love lavender. So there's 2 products left in this box, and they are from the same company. This is Lifeline Skincare. This is their Refresh Polishing Jelly. So this cleanses and enlivens facial skin, smoothing the way for maximum penetration and absorption of active ingredients. I like cleansers. And this retails for $9.99. Can you guys hear my husband singing downstairs?
Am I too loud?
Yeah, I can hear you up here.
Sorry.
Okay.
I'll be quiet. Bye-bye.
Husbands. And they included a bonus item. This is the Neck Firming Complex. This has peptides from human stem cells in it. And this retails for $29.99. I've been noticing I have some necklines recently that I want to get rid of. But I'm excited. This is something that I would never have bought myself. I'm not at the store going, ooh, I need a neck firming cream. I'm more worried about my face than my neck, which is horrible. I know you're supposed to worry about all of it and your décolleté and everything. I don't really worry about it. I'm bad like that. So that's everything that was in the Bless box here. Overall, I think it was worth the $22 that I paid for this box. Do I think it's worth $30? I may get one more box just to kind of see what the next one's like. But I'm not gonna say this is my favorite box whatsoever. Something about it just doesn't wow me, and I can't put my finger on it, unfortunately. I wish all of them wowed me, but I guess you can't have all of them do that, because then I'd be broke from spending way too much money on subscription boxes. All right, well that was Bless Box. I will keep you updated if I decide to keep the subscription. Let me know what you thought of this box yourself in the comments below. Before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for sticking around, guys. I hope you have a great night. I'll see you next time. Bye.